Hello again. So today what we're going to be working on is our Firebox door. So this is one end of it, front or back. I've marked the hole in the same exact location on this one as I've got on this one, and so there you go. And so what I've got envisioned here is I kind of want my damper to look like, to kind of resemble the butterflies on a top fuel dragster. And so I've got these 3 2-inch pieces of pipe cut out here, and they'll go into the holes here. And then obviously this one here, after I cut out the holes, will get welded. This is hard to do right now. So we'll get welded on top of this with probably an inch of this. It's going to be an inch of this sticking out. And then I'll have, I've got these pieces that came out of the middle of the hole, my cutouts, and they will get, they'll get grinded down or whatever needs to happen to have them fit inside the hole, and then those will pivot inside the hole, kind of like on a top fuel dragster butterfly setup on their superchargers. So as far as getting that, having a rod go through there and having all this, I'm not sure how I'll do that yet. We're gonna work on that, figure it out. But first, coffee. It's just a center punch. And I'll drill some pilot holes. Take this off a hammer drill. There. Okay. All right. I've taken my cutoff wheel, marked where I want my flat spots for my butterflies to sit. Taking the old file. Okay, let's go over here. Show you what we got going on. So we'll have a spacer. Or stop, I guess I should call it a stop. On one end. Stop on the other end. there. So I will I'll probably drill and tap a hole. Well, I think that's what I'll do. I'll drill, tap a hole in those. That way I'll be able to drill my holes in these pipes, slide this in like that. This will be welded in place. Slide that in, wherever it's going to be, somewhere in here. Stick that on welded in place, and then I'll be able to spin a bolt on to attach these. In a little bit of a hurry because I only have 15-20 minutes left. To work right out here, so just want to get this part of this done. Hopefully everything goes all right, because I don't have to do all this again. It's quite a bit of work as far as how much time it took. Okay, so I got my 3 holes tapped. This is a 1/4-20 tap. That's the bolts that I was able to find that I just have here. So actually they're good bolts. They've already got a layer of Loctite on them. So hopefully all these are perfectly in the right spot and everything will line up with my damper holes. There we go. Okay. So so if I need to, which I might, because it looks like these aren't exactly perfect. I can change my hole just a little bit to make these work. Something I might need to do, possibly. Anywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, because I didn't get that perfectly lined up. That one might go right there. Okay. That one will go. About this one. That looks like it'll go maybe. Huh? Let's see here. Okay. I think it's gonna go. Might want to adjust this hole just a touch to get that one to go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna grab an Allen wrench. I want to make sure all this will line up with that. So far, looks like that's gonna work. Okay. As long as this third one goes, we'll be in good shape. It'll be good. Got her. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's gonna work. Okay, so this will, yeah, that's gonna be sweet, guys. So this will, I'll drill holes through these pipes. Like I said earlier, I'll slide that in, screw these guys on, and weld my stops on. Not that I need them, but I'll put them on there anyway. And then some sort of handle over here to adjust them. But that's what I'm thinking. That's what I was thinking all along, and that's going to be cool. All right. Anyway, so that's it for today. Not much got done. Doing this took forever. But that's why it works, because it took forever. So anyway, still got everything to do where I left off on the last video on this guy. I'm still planning on doing the baffle there. I started to cut out a template for this here, but before I do any of that, I want to get this thing made it up to the cook chamber. So we'll do that and keep on plugging along, and eventually I'll get some steel and start building a trailer for this thing. But until then, thank you for watching. See you next time. All right, I'm in the process of drilling my holes through there for my for my guy to go through. Without a drill press, it's tricky getting it perfect, but doing the best I can. So I guess I'll show you what I'm doing here. I've got my line around there. Center punch on the line. Drill pilot hole. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, well, there's the first win. The thing goes all the way through the holes, so I was a little worried about that. I can already see that. Yeah, whatever. See if the stuff will go together. That looks like it might go. Okay. It looks like it might might go. All right. This one over here. I feel it go. I don't think that's gonna go. Doesn't even want to go in that freaking hole. No. What's holding me up here? Okay, well, there he goes. Might not spin in the hole though, I don't know. It's threading in. I don't want to spin. Maybe it just needs to be worked a little bit. Some of the burrs worked off of him. I think it's this one that's holding me up. Gonna need it. Oh. That's better. All this would be tight and welded, so, and I don't want it super floppy. So that's good, but this one here, I'm gonna have to, I'll take it over to the bench and go around the outside edge a little bit and see if that does anything for us. All right, see how this works. Oh, fuck. Might have taken too much off of it. I don't think it's enough to matter. This is, after all, a smoker, not a drag car. Okay, well. I think once everything's welded up and got a little handle or something on that, it'll work fine. I like it. I don't love it, but I like it. It's probably what I'm gonna go with. I've already got so much time into this thing. That I don't really want to put much more time into it. It's kind of hard to build with just minimal tools. Getting everything to line up and stuff, it's a little tricky. But that's what it is, man. That's kind of what I had envisioned, I guess. It'll work. It'll let the air in, and it'll stop the air. So if you need more air, you crack the door. Most guys are just not even putting dampers on their front door. They're just, the way you get air in it is you crack the door. So, but I really want to try to do the old butterfly thing. So I think the more I use it, when I get it all welded up and tacked up, it'll help. Probably should have. Well, there was no way I could do that at first because I wouldn't have been able to drill this hole in this middle one. I would have been able to come in from the side on these ones, but I wouldn't have been able to get that middle one. So that's why I haven't tacked anything up yet. But I'll go ahead and tack it up now. And go from there. All right, quick update before I end this video. Stupid mistake was made. Really stupid. Some reason I thought I just mixed up what top and bottom on this freaking door was. Something in my brain was telling me this was the bottom of the door. Actually, this is the bottom of the door. So, yeah, my damper in that case would be way up here instead of down here where I wanted it, where my air would obviously go into my coal bed. Oh, I don't know. I'm trying to convince myself that having it up here is no different than other guys just using the door and cracking the door. But, man, I just want it down here, so marked out some new holes. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'll probably just cut out new holes and relocate it and then plug these holes up. But yeah, I think everybody makes stupid mistakes, and it's just the way it is. So we'll have to deal with it. But anyway, thought I would share that with you, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.